Hello, my people. I don't come back again. Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends your time. When you take watch us. Yes, I don't come. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Say all of now the shine. We wanna take Christmas rice, eat Christmas goat. I hope I reserve my own. I wish you a happy Christmas. I still wish you a happy New Year where they come. Our eye go reach am. God will go carry us reach the one we still dey come. I greet all of una. Yes, I don't come back again. See, make I come see, put my mouth for wetin be say they go on for social media. I know as we dey do am now. When you see, you speak. Many things dey wey be say I will talk for this video. First of all, make I first start with Mommy Yore. I greet all of una as una dey watch. Mommy Yore, happy Christmas. I see video where you play. That video no right, not cut for, because you don't let us know say God don't do am for you. All those videos wey be say you come dey show, not be wetin be say e cut for at all. You disappoint many people. Wey be say you see that video, e not cut for at all. You person not feel who you may not born. Not be person send you come this life. Person not feel hold your womb say na him cause am wey you not born. That one wey dey talk her own, so na hungry dey beat am. Na hungry dey beat that woman. Yeah. So nobody be your God, and you not get anybody wey be say you want explain to. Say na so this one I make you not born or those things. Nobody send you come this life. Nobody be your husband family wey you go get explanation for. That video wey you play, you disappoint many people, and your people wey be so na Ghana dey do those saga of a thing. They'll go keep that video. Can't use am mock you tomorrow. Of which we will be say he love you. The thing go to pay us for body. Now they play that kind of video. As you see and you pause that video, you don't need to bring her on social media. Because that woman now, if you see that woman, you know say na hungry person. They find money you want to give the children food for Christmas. Not play that video again, I beg. Yeah, I mean not like, and that is why I talk about her. I like you, I like what you they do, and that is why they always talk for your matter. And I want to be your own, my sister. So if you see this video, not take am personal, and I advice I give you. And God will do it for people who be say they carry children, go still do it for you. Now money they take the buy am, at least as you constantly be, so maybe you still afford one or two. So not be waiting person they use money buy or use power take the pikin, not be waiting person they use power take the get. Yeah, God will give you your pikin, do everything wey be say the they pay you for your mind, go do it for you. And that video now not be video wey be say you go come to play for social media. No, you know what? Yeah. And the main reason when I your corner because of about Obaze, the crafting boss. Now see, I'm gonna send this video to them because he don't want come too much. He not let Edo sons and daughter rest for Edo State. For social media, he not let the rest. About Obaze, you don't try and destroy the Onosage Foundation. That one not still issue. Another one when the BC still the corner. You don't focus your energy to bring that boy down. What he do you? What he Kolisi Mudia do you? What he Dion do you? Me I first start from Dion first before I read media, because many things they will be say they do a be say e not good. Dion carry foundation come. You did beneath before Dion come from America. Come say you want to do foundation. You not buy one pure water give anybody for street. You not buy one plate of rice give anybody for street. John come say you want come help. You leave am for waste. You not really leave am. You follow that boy. If he eat, now you go know the color of food when he eat. You come social media, come make sure say you bring am down. Not where you not do the Onosagi. Nothing. So he still lawyer, still go to support Obaseki, enter Obaseki camp for during the election. You not let him be. You follow him, you still drive am comot. He enter Ezejamu camp. Na the same problem. Wetin you see? Wetin be your problem? we the Edo State sons and daughters, we want know at least anything we be say we to tackle that problem where you get. I been jealous in your cause, huh? Now jealous, you bring all those things command. You just sit down to bring everybody wey be say you wan grow for the state where you dey. Foundation, we need more foundation for Edo State. We need foundation for more. Even though na 200, we need. Government don fail us. Na only those people it's okay, you go fit still render help to a poor citizen. But you no let them be. Only the one wey you dey support na be the one wey you know say e good. Everything na only your own, only your own, only your own. You never care about anybody. You follow John Osage, you destroy that boy, destroy foundation. So he comot go America say no dey come again. He still dey there. You not still let am be. John and his wife quarrel. Now that one come be your national anthem. You not still let both of them be. Eh? Wetin you suppose dey do now? As Obaseki don't come back again for the second thing, now you supposed to you campaign for am. Wetin he promise, he never do anyone. Now you supposed to dey still dey street to make sure say you dey let Obaseki know say not be because of this one, because you dey among the people wey sell Obaseki to us. You suppose to tell Obaseki say not be wetin you tell your people say you want to. You never do anyone. You dey fight anybody wey come. You fight left, you fight right. You either you fight social media people, you go Edo State, go find them for the other side. Only you want. Eh? What do you be say you believe on? We be say do the ginger you like this, say nothing dey happen. Eh? I work when we say very only. Abatoba say, Akbenuwe, you don't let people, Edo State people rest. Eh? Obaseki, food when they give am for bring come for during the lockdown for Edo State. Now you tell us say na medicine they put for that way as for medical road. You say na alagbi alabokun na dey inside there. No, you say na food na they put for there. Reaching there now, see say na food. Indomie, bag of rice, bag of beans, garri, na food there. You say you no know. You go fit to say you no know. E get wetin be say dey happen wey you no dey know. Eh? You not let anybody get peace for social media. People wey still there around you. All of now wey campaign for Obaseki, no one wey you never fight. No one. You don't fight Nanti, Loretta, you even fight Naija Watch, you fight let me know you're talking about Empire and Omigo, 12 na Cataract, Eusalakwodi, Apostle Uyinosa, all of now we work together, you fight all of them. Selfishness, so much infrastructure. Only me want eat. Now only me want go see governor. Anybody when they come up for that story say you want go make you go look for appointment, they go first give you money, make the see governor as a area godfather. Still yet, you not let them be. They will still come, they not officially see the governor, they go reach us, you go start to the insult them. And all those people will be say when they knock their eye for bottle, they go still they run follow you. Who you be? What you even be for that house? They be having. We post you the whole. Eh? As the rate to the stronger to see governor, na so you still be. But they don't know. They don't know. They feel say now you are governor, you just sit down, they eat from one plate. That they pump money they give you, the back card they give you during the election. The one where they buy for you, you not return out. The one where they buy for Starling, you begin to ginger down and say, ginger, they chook out for you and say, may they come collect her from her. What you they do to people, they go do it to you. Abatoba said they go do it to you. We just say, okay, we will let everything yours lie low. May they leave you, but you the worst, you the worst, you the worst. Eh? You the worst every day. You go carry this one call, you go insult and you carry nobody will never insult for that Edo State. Nobody. Politicians, Nobody will never. You start from Jagaban, you insult them. You insult Lepa Kaftiosa, you insult them. Go reach Igbenedion, you insult them. Even you throw man to palace, but I don't want to remember you. Wait till you talk. They not be that one we did now. Eh? You don't know only your own. Only your own. You don't care about anybody. This foundation wey be say they still dey do, take dey support. Person wey be say e dey sick, no see money to do operation, they go still render money give am. Not be your money. Among all of them, your brother not dey support any of them. Your family not dey support any of them. But they go still struggle to make sure say they still gather money, give person wey dey sick. Make they take treat themselves. You go say no. You go dey block them for road. You will say no good. You carry the go corner, go dey open your platform, tell they donate money. Make they donate money for your account, make you give the person. Who does that? Wait till you say you no good, you condemn. You carry the go corner, go dey say make they can't donate money for you, make you give the person. Wait till you dey do people, they go do it to you. The way you take follow John Osagi, nobody don't follow you like that for Edo State. You just become area father. Anywhere when you come, you go first go see you. Before you feel waka for Edo State. Edo State na for everybody. Not be only your own. What will they grow the corn that time? I believe say you still dey wear pint. You know they see all those kind of now them Tony with the even the hear from. But you know Tony, we still they see people wey be say they still dey waka for street. They still dey feel they talk. Tony work for Tony help bring Obaseki to power. But now Tony has now first start to dey destroy. And now you contribute 80% when they take destroy that hotel. He go your house, go eat rice. You don't know he say nah, he just say life to you. You know say that one be wicked point. You bring a command and they know say yes, not true. They use this one threatening and go change. As they threatening and not change, now it's okay, make they really do one. Now they take do that thing. As where you dey sleep now, person go come destroy, make you get happiness. You call person your friend. Obaseki go rule today, go come out, he go finish, he go come out. If he decide not to come Edo State again, after all, you not get good name for Edo State. If you decide not to come, but you dey here, your pikin, your children dey here, you get house for here. Who you support don't come out, don't rule come out. How you want to do your life? Now go there the same place, person will be your friend before. You dey use one kind eye, they look you. Say because now during election time, now you take connive wey they take destroy you take. You go get rest of mind. Nobody will. Even your 5 and 6, where you call your 5 and 6 able stone. Una still fight. Una still fight. You don't know only your own, only your own, only your own. I see Tony Kabaka, Tony Kabaka. I see you go take picture with Albert. Be careful. Second journey not good for Naiki Mongo Park. Second journey is not good. Stay away from Albert. Do your own. The issue of your hotel, they don't hang you now. So do your own. Leave Albert alone. You talk for live video, say you forgive everybody. Let them be. You still there on your own. You not get anything to contribute for your life. Albert has there with 2 heads. You don't know where he face. Stay away from Tony for now. Stay away from Tony. From Albert. Tony, stay away from Albert. He not get any help to render you. Now you, Albert, now you still carry a Ranomigo brother picture, go still come and say they do vigilante. You go post and put for this thing. Starly, appointment not reach in hand. He go, they do vigilante, they serve Edo State, serve the poor citizen for them to get freedom. Which one you do? You too big to the evil they do the vigilante? You too big? If person do, you know, let am get rest of mind. You dey there, you not gree do. Now vigilante, now you dey fight. You don't dey fight with style. You don't dey fight vigilante because you hear say Osama Kodi go still join them. You still carry that hatred, still go enter vigilante. How bad? You need to change. Change. Edo State not be for you, eh? Change. Leave those people alone. Leave Kolisi Mudia alone. Leave John Osage alone. Kolisi Mudia dey do foundation. Now you know who you want put for women leader. Who now you know who you go elect post for. If you like, you get youth leader. You not concern. You not be one of their member. You not be that family. Leave am alone. Say you get woman leader, na so woman leader, hey, you don't know what you happen to them. You hear say don't buy, you don't buy. Person not dey buy, you get who not dey buy. Everybody hold am for trouser. And so it be like money, he wallet, he dey inside pocket. Anywhere he reach, he can set. Now so this life can be now. Okay, say make the woman children make they call you. Call you for what? What do you want give them? Rice where you say where they donate for you, okay, may they constantly donate money give you, may you take do the burial. The rice where they donate for you, we not see how you take distribute them. You dey carry that rice, nobody even talk, nobody even ask what you they use rice they do, nobody dey against you for that rice. Now here is first come on, go inside sea, go the inside river, go the call of mind day. Nobody talk about them. If na other person, you go rise up. You go rise. Wetin Kolisi Mudia do you? Imudia not dey find person trouble. I not be their fans. I not be John fans. I not be Imudia fans. But I love wetin they do. I never contribute my money give them. I love wetin they do. Let them be. Let them be. Let them be. You don't get anybody where you dey help. Ronsula where be say you dey follow go share rice, you never condemn a foundation. Now foundation neither one still get to. You never mistakenly condemn am one day. Ronsula where you get where they go the support for foundation. You never condemn am one day. But the rest they do, you not go let them get peace. You go fight them. You go fight them. To make sure say you bring them down. What till you go gain? All those things where they do, wait till you go gain. Since where they do, I never see any award where they don't give you. You know they. You the reason they get bad name. They create problem with your children for front. And your wife sit down, they look you. Today you go join enter A. Tomorrow na for B. Next tomorrow na C. Only you want. Nobody will never fight for social media. Still, let's go see governor. Money where they give one, you collect her from her. Money where they give you, may you share for election, you corner that money, and you dey wait for appointment. You thank God say Obaseki not give you appointment, we be dey wait you. Now you for use your hand, take go carry that key, go return. Because if you drink water, not go enter your body. Now then you for know say wetin you dey do people, they go dey do am to you. They go dey do am to you. I don't say rice where they gather so now the one way be say you want to, you know, our people for Nigeria, for Edo State, they like rice and onions. You want to go until they buy their heart, say the election come, make them vote for you. You want to come out for any post, my brother. Not reason at all, not reason now. More all of us do this social media. Okay, more they do this live video together. No reason now. You know say no work. It not go work. Better people go there we never get thing. They don't win. Now you talk of you. You know that rice. As they say, you share and you go share and no reason politics put for that rice. You not go work, my brother. You not work. Leave Kolisi Mudia alone. Let them be. Let them do their work. If now God send them, let them do it. If now say okay, now they want stop today. Nobody get right to question them. After all, you know, not be agreement work. Now what did they feel say they help the poor citizen? Now they take carry that foundation take hold. May you still open your own. Open your own. You go enter restaurant, you buy a satana. You go complain about that satana, say e not big, you not white rich. And the same satana person go dey go pay for all the plate, the restaurant go give people wey be say they hungry. Only your own plate you go dey quarrel with people wey dey sell am. We dey see you. Say maybe you go change, you want change, you want change, you want change. Another year now we want still enter so. And so you still carry this jealousy enter 2022. They say man don't dey born, you go dey look something they do. Your own not be like that. Like when you never even get children safe, now you even go past when you don't get children. So everything wey you dey do, now your children, now you dey do for grant for. You feel say, hey, if you dey grow, you can't go school for America or go school for anywhere you dey. Black na black. Unless a dope person not dey there, they go know say your father na bad head. Not be say you not get character, na bad head be. Nobody wey you never fight. Nobody, no social media, no where they talk your back, your name ain't good. Person wey you know they talk, you go still see wetin you say you do am. How about change? You need changes. They know they use money till they buy changes. You sit down on your own, reason now what you they do to those people, whether it really good. How many people you they give money, give food for a day? Your own brother, as you stingy rich, you employ as your own personal driver. Your own brother, same papa, the same mama, make it they drive you. They never give you any appointment. If you dey waka for road, you say maybe they use umbrella, they carry you. I wish they give you appointment. Those people for suffer, and it not go work. And your jealousy is too much. I wish you be woman now. Go say we know woman as to be like that. You not be woman, you be man. Your jealousy is too much. Wetin Imudia can do you now? That woman, you not let her rest in peace. You believe they call, make they come. Okay, what you want talk say kill that woman? Na Imudia. So that maybe you know say maybe the woman family not get money or the woman children not get money, make they come, make you carry the come social media, make they come they donate money for your hand, make you give them take do burial. If that way they do something, why you not go there, go say, go greet them, make you tell them sorry. Ask where that woman did, make you find out, say make they call you. After they call you, carry the call social media, make they come talk, wetin no happen. At the end, you say okay, the woman children don't come, say they not get, make they help her, make they send money come, your people they go, you bring your account. Even though they donate, nobody that they give money, where you know they see your own for inside. Even though na 1 naira, you must see your own for inside. What you they condemn, but you they go the door for back. How about you need changes? Change. So that if you anywhere you dey, may you still get respect. You make money for election, we know. You make money, you make a lot of money. Those one I have asked reason will not give you appointment. You now make money. What will be money? Money will be say if you already take fix Edo State, they give one to una. After I come say me Obaseki can't work. Work for where? Where you put money where you want to work? Where Obaseki put money where you go to work? Money will be say he gather where you want to work. He give una to take by election. Una want say me can't work. Work for where? Now patience everybody want get for Obaseki. And a prayer. Me Obaseki even get mind to say he want do one thing. Because everything now money take do everything when he be say he take enter where he do so. And that money never get am. So how about my brother? You need changes. Okay, change, my brother. Reason am. Wetin you do to John Osagi, whether na good thing. We know say John Osagi dey fight trouble well well. If fight trouble come na, if he come out, he go fight trouble. We know that one say sometimes he dey fight trouble. Say me if people go dey fight the fight. That but College Mudia, you know they see am for live video. Even though you see am now, people will be say they give am money, they give update to them. But may you still let them be. Let them be. Do you not they Nigeria again, they America still let them be. That foundation na threat to you. Foundation wey dey Edo State na threat to you. You open your own. You don't get foundation, but they fit donate 100 and something bag of rice for you. Why you not use that opportunity to open your own? Leave that woman alone. Let her rest in peace. Don't do any video concerning that woman. If they feel bury her, may they bury. They not feel still bury her. You not be one of their family. Okay? Let that woman rest in peace. No dey pursue, no dey find who no find you. No dey go dey draw person wey be say e no near you. Hatred wey be say you just get for all of them. Nobody wey you know wey even good for where you dey, unless only you. As you and neighbor still play rich, you still bring am come social media, flog am. Where for dey eat, you draw am down. Not be say that one still good though. Wetin all of na do to Tony, not be good thing. Na do I never reach anywhere. All of na begin dey really see the repercussion. Una still fight. Who you never fight? My brother, change. Change. You get brother, you get sister. May they still call you. May they call you, may they still advise you. Say what you dey do not good. You get mama, and you still, I say you still get father. May they still call you, they advise you. You need change. Now prayer, may they still pray for you. May you be say your own business, make you dey mind your business. Now very important thing. You go make somebody dey mind a business. Mind your business. Leave them alone. They're not near you, not near there. Let them do what they want to do. Not be you, they give them money. Your family, not they donate for them. Your friends, they're not going to still donate for them. Anyhow, they take see the money, they take they help people. Leave them, make they suffer, they do their thing. You open your own, you go see who go still give you. Edo State need more foundation. Government don't fail laws. Government don't fail laws. Individual people wey be say go fit still give food eat. Let them still help. Not block any road. Not block their road. Leave them alone. Not be good thing. No matter how you want to do and make person come dey clap hand for you, say you right. You do this one well, you do this one well. No. Leave them alone. Let them be. Europe will dey so. Everywhere where you go, foundation. The foundation full everywhere. Person don't feel still be where they will still carry come. If you too big, you get where you still carry go. Anything wey be say they go, you get person. All those people wey they take do aduro. Foundation they will be say is they assist them. Nobody there against those people because they see their work. Even the citizens go still go there, go still need help. You leave those people alone. Let them be. People wey get good heart, wey they give them the money, leave them and they support them. They know wetin life be. They don't travel. They know the importance of life. You now you eat finish, you drink one bottle of beer, and you beg, you feel say everywhere don't good. You no care whether person dey street wey dey hungry. People wey still care, let them do wetin they fit do to support people wey not still get. No dey fight anybody again, let them be. Okay, Albert. Now this one say me I can't tell you. Not take am say na personal. I don't hate you. I love you as a do brother. But I hate with your character, the way they behave. I don't like am. I don't like am. Change. You go gather money, you go back am. Person go dey, you no go fit eat. Tomorrow na you go still carry camera go the video people wey dey mold block. Dey mock them. Change, not dey fight people wey dey do foundation. Anybody wey wan do foundation, let am do foundation. Edo State, many people dey to go suppose go invest for that Edo State. All those kind character na make dem no dey go, no be even electricity. That man when he comot that time, whether Emmanuel be Benson and they call that man that time, that Shama. Say wan go carry farm. Na so you and Obaseki follow that man. Not you not follow am. Farm no concern government work. Na private. Na they do it. You no concern Obaseki concern you. Una drive am. But he dey on another country, African country, there they do it. He's doing fine. Many people now don dey travel from Nigeria go dey invest for Ghana, go dey invest for Cameroon, invest for Ivory Coast because of our character. Hatred. More we dey change our way. Our country don fit go move forward. Our state no fit move forward the way we dey do now. And this one say me I can't tell you, my brother. As I talked before, I don't hate you, but I don't like the way they behave. At least one. Small. So I can't tell you, my brother, no reason the matter. Reason as you take change. I not come for hatred. You understand? I not come for hatred. I don't hate you, but I don't like the way they behave. Let those people be. So now be that one. My people agree to now. Now today, they visit my channel. Subscribe to my channel, latest Aproko News TV. Support the channel. We dey do many things for the channel. As our state want to move on, we dey talk about that. Because where we for come out, we know as it be. At least when we see something we not good, we need to come and talk about that. Now we dey do for here. We dey see some kind of way still dey go on where they affect our brothers and sisters. For social media, we will still talk and bring her come and bring light come and we know the just carry saga without no solution. Anybody will be say something they pass through stress. Now we will be say the social media presenter, influencer. Now we be the Edo community. If something they good, we will talk and not good. We will still rush come and come talk about that. At least person they involved, you go know as you want to do something to change. Now we be the Edo community where we dey see now. Person tell you say another Edo community dey, you know now the social media influencer and those one be the Edo community. So subscribe. If you never subscribe to this channel, like our video. Mona help us to share this video, make it go viral. You understand? We go to come now way at any time. Any new video we still see, it get as it be, we'll still come and talk about it. Still carry some kind of video we see it affect our brothers and sisters. We'll still come and we will analyze them. Now that one we do. You know, just they say more saga. No, if person they do wrong, we will come and talk about it. Tell her I want to work out we be say you know go for victim tomorrow. And that one we do for years. I love all of you now. The way we see when I watch this video, person we never still see her. I love you. I love everybody. Mona they share this video. Mona they help us they like our video anyway on see her. I will see you now for the next video. Bye bye.